And here we go. Hey guys, welcome to Money Farming YouTube channel. So in this video we're gonna be analyzing the prediction that we did on Bitcoin. Okay, so so this is what our prediction was, and we were again, like, we were correct, like what to do next. Basically what I said was so we were actually, like, here market was here as it was moving up. I said if you want to short, wait for the market to come here, then short. Okay, now we will go till here, I told, and then, like, if we want to, like, go up, no, we have to, like, break that. We didn't break, we break that, came down so this was our, like, short and long entry again. So we had to break that, this trend line. So guys, and, like, if you miss this one, see, this trend line broke, came down, that's your another long entry right there. So you can add on that. So, like, take 50% position in there as it went down, went up, add another that one, like, you can take profit around there. So so guys, this is fun, right? Like, predicting what's gonna happen next. Yeah. How do you pronounce your name? Actually, like, I streamed a couple of hours ago where we developed one strategy on Freak Trade, and we tested this strategy also. So, like, I'll show you. So this was the strategy we tested on pivot points. Okay. See, this was the strategy that I, like, coded live, and then we tested it as well. I showed you, like, this London New York session thing, Asian session, London session, New York session. Okay, so hope you can follow along with from the yesterday's like last streams video. But today I'm gonna, like, do the charting on, like, Ethereum or something, and then, like, again move on to coding some stuff. If you have something in mind, let me know. We actually coded this strategy. So VWAP from the voice trade, this strategy we coded, and, like, couple of pivot point strategy as well. So what is going on in Ethereum? We are making higher low, higher high. Okay, see, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now this is on 1 minute chart. So let's move from the top down. Okay, what is happening? So yeah, so there's our support resistance. There's, like, it's also one there. So that's on, like, that's on daily. Now when we go to 4 hour, what we see is we're already springed out here. Okay, so on 4 hour it's the same. 1 hour, nothing much. Yeah, we can use the same chart. 15 minutes. Okay, So you can see it's like it's going up there. Now what I want to do, I want to go on lower time frame and see what is going on there. See, in lower time frame what happened was we had this, let me reduce to 1, and then this. Okay, so as we went back up there, so we are retracing this path. This path, so we are around here. Okay, now if it's gonna go, it's like there's liquidity over there, so we can expect the market to go there, but only if we already like broke around here and then we coming back here. So let's see what's gonna happen. But what I can see here is like nice. Do you have worked out the strategy, like tested it and all? Like, I think you must have. That's why you're talking about deploying it with real money. Hyperopt, right? Okay. So how many parameters are there in your strategy? If it's like based on a couple of different indicators, like RSI, this, then like you have to optimize a lot. Basically, if you have a high-end machine, then like it's good. Yeah, but like if you are like trading with the high frequency trading, like you're looking at the spaces, ROI, all this stuff, then you can also like optimize that too, if it's for like short-term trading. So for instance, here are all these spaces. So like ROI space, stop loss space, trailing space, maximum open trade space, and like you can do a lot of stuff here as well. See, just we have to define the parameters and then populate the entry and sell trigger there. Yeah, so I mean, I'll tell you from the experience that like the public ones like they haven't really like put much thought onto it. It's just like optimization. But if you see the real traders, like what they do is for instance, like it's easy to like explain it. Okay, let me explain it to you here. All right, so I'm gonna add Bollinger Bands. All right, Bollinger Bands. Okay, and let's add some pivot points. Previous day high low. This is on 1 minute, so like Bollinger Bands. Okay, monthly to like weekly or something, so like you see this one, you can use this strategy if you want, like it's this is very simple strategy that I coded as well. You can run tests and see how it goes. First, like test with like dry run or something. The thing that why I'm showing you this now, I'll show you why. Okay, so basis, I want this to be green. No, not upper one is red, but on that one, this to be like green. I want to open interest. There's also the strategy for that too. Get the background out. Basis, we don't really need the basis. So open interest data is like every 8 hours they change the rate, right, for the leverage rate they provide. So you can also have some like alpha in it as well. Yeah, so the strategy that I'm telling is like this, okay? So see, this is, if you know VWAP, right? We actually coded it. We're gonna, okay, let's code this one. I think you're gonna like it. So this VWAP, right? So we are confluencing it with Bollinger Band and VWAP. So we can take all these third standard deviation, second standard deviation, first standard deviation of the VWAP, and we can add the confluence around there if it is near the lower band of the Bollinger Band, and if it's like upper band. So one of these conditions should met, okay, in order to get that. And then we can also add some confluence with pivot points, okay? So I'll show you what I mean. Are you getting this stuff what I'm telling you? Okay, so I'm gonna code this strategy, all right? So let's code it around here, okay? So this strategy we already coded it. You don't understand it? Okay, I'll explain then. Yeah. So VWAP, right? I mean, this is your institutional money, basically. Institutional trader uses this to track the price, So if you can see, there's mark price, right? Mark price in Binance, everywhere you have mark price. You should ask how they calculate it. Okay, they have their own algorithm and stuff, but most of the time how they get it, is most of the time they use VWAP, okay, in order to get the value. So this is your value, where the price has traded the most, at which price, with the most value. All right, now it's not much the concept is that so I'll explain you what I mean, okay? You can get the code from the video I explained previously. So yeah, let me explain you what I meant by that. So hang on. Yeah, I'm gonna add some Bollinger Bands too there. So yeah, let's get the Bollinger Bands from the third video here. All right, now, so I got all the data, right? Now what I want to see, is I'm gonna plot them here first. All right, let's plot this Bollinger Band. And I don't want this line, I just want that. Yeah, and let's see. Yeah, for now it's let's remove that. So see this Bollinger Band, right? Now I'm gonna remove the pivot points. I'm gonna let the high low there, but I'm gonna add the VWAP. Now you see. So this is what I was telling you. This is strategy, you can try it, it will work. I'm gonna show you how to code it. See this one, yeah. This is the best place to take long trade entry, okay? Here too, okay? Here you can take short entry there. So let me tell you, all right? So let me code it, and then we'll see. How long is it been you've been like using Freak Trade and like deploying the bot? You're from Taiwan, right? So what I want now in my algorithm is yeah. So in my algorithm, what I want, if this is my V lower band of VWAP, so I want V like all these different VWAP, first standard, second standard, third standard deviation. If there's candlestick combining both of them and like reversing it, then we take long trade there. Okay. So I'm gonna see. All right. Okay. So low should be less than dVWAP lower band 1. High should be greater than dVWAP lower band 1. Okay. Now this we can OR it. Okay. And what we do here is just the same code, but for the B bands, lower band, okay, lower. And now what I want to add now here is just that candle should be greater than open, like this is my high candle, like long candle. So we got 386 trade setups there. So entering long trade. For short trade, this is gonna be upper band. See, this on this kind of strategy, you don't really need optimization, but you can optimize it though, for sure. Because I know, like, I also ran a lot of optimization. It takes time to optimize, and then I mean, Freak Trade does keep track of your optimized data, but like you have to run the optimization every time. Yeah. Anyway, so see this. Now I'm gonna put the trades there, and voila. So let's analyze what's going on there. So see, here it actually like long, short there, long there. Here it was short trade, but long, short, but here it got messed up. We can analyze it from the perspective that yeah, it's it's telling us that it's gonna go up. It went up, but there's some story behind it. What is happening? You see this pivot points, right? So this pivot points is actually this is a it's we opened the market there, okay, and then we are we are just trading around there. We're not going anywhere. So that's good place to short there. But as we come back up, this long entry, I mean, the whole time market was there. Do you think it's gonna go up? Even if you think just place some trade, around here, you will know that okay, it's not gonna go much. So you should keep your short trade there. So that's I mean, we can add this stuff in trading as well, the algorithm. I'm gonna show you a really good way of seeing what I mean. Okay, now, okay, so so there's a lot of trade setups. Okay, hang on, let's remove everything and see. I'm just gonna keep the high low, see there, and yeah, So all the pivot points, okay. We're gonna add some confluence of pivot points too. Are you getting this? Like, have you seen this kind of like analysis in like in your like public repository online and stuff? Because I've also like researched a lot. Like, yeah, I couldn't find anything. Yeah. Yeah, I know for sure. That's why I like in this channel I'm gonna teach you guys like everything, man. Yeah, this is like real algorithmic trading. I call it logical algorithmic trading. Basically, you put some logic, like why you're taking long trade, why you're taking short trade and stuff. So see, the one thing that we can do now here, I'll show you, okay. What do you think we can do for reducing the this noise? Basically, one thing we can do is like, hang on, I'm gonna zoom in and we'll see what we are seeing there. Okay, so 3010 I think. So here we go. Hang on, I'm not gonna put it on the high. So this one I'm gonna put it on the low of the candle. This one I'm gonna put it on the high of the candle. So yep. Okay. So there's a lot of this, right? So see, we can like ignore this candle when the candle size is very low, right? So you see here, candle size was big, so it's good one. Big, good one. Small, not so good. Small, not so good, okay? Ah, nice. Yeah, technical analysis is like very easy, It's like they make it very hard. Yeah, it's very easy if you like you're gonna see like the way I teach and like show you examples and stuff. No, it's very easy. And this stuff that I'm showing you is like I know for sure that like you wouldn't find it on internet, like online and stuff. Like my channel only, like you can find it. That's why like I basically started this channel. Anyway, let's add that confluence, okay? So what I'm saying now is this confluence, that like candle should be big. Candle should be big, okay? This pen, man. Okay, so we actually, if you remember, we actually already have wrote some code on it, like Wyckoff VSA, so I go there and like take the, I think we have like candle body size. Yeah, we do have. It's just like get Wyckoff VSA. That's the function, and like this stuff, right? We already coded it in the couple of video before. So what I can do on this one now to reduce the noise is like tell it that this is a noise reduction. So I want the candle body size to be greater than candle body size standard deviation 1, okay? And here as well the same thing. So you'll see this, like we had like 739. You'll see the reduction in noise. See, we already got like 156 now. So we'll see. I will compare the chart. I want to keep that one so that I can show you. See, we reduced a lot of noise basically, right? See, here it took short. Here it tells us to go long. It went long again. long. Here it's like going down, but like you can see the potential of this. Okay, and yeah, the like optimal way is like the way I use it now is like I just use the moving average to show candle body size MA instead of like standard deviation. So it's gonna give us like bit more signal, but like it would be good combination. Okay, so now we can add the confluence of pivot points, like, you know, why not? If we have that, like, then we can add the confluence of pivot point. But first, like, let's look at the data, okay, how it's doing. So to do that, what we can do now is, I think I used this one before, right? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that marker. Yeah, it's good now. I'm just gonna keep intact the previous day high low though. Okay, hang on, I'm gonna do this red, green, alpha 0.5. Yeah, this is good, right? Yeah, so let's test it. Okay, let's do the visual testing here. So 0, see this trade setup, it's really good, you know. I mean, stop loss there is like, it is giving us good prediction, a trade setup, whatever you want to call it. It's just like once you analyze the market correctly, you know, it's like then you can see the trade setup happening in real time. See, this is really good trade setup, right? Here, I mean, even if you lost this, again, you like, you know, this short, make profit, short, make profit, short, make profit, long, little bit of profit, short, little bit of profit. You see? So, yeah, test it out, okay? It's like dry run and do all this stuff. So, yeah. So see, I think I'm gonna like test it as well, you know, dry run and all this stuff. So, yeah. So what do you think of this strategy that we just built right now? Any comments, suggestion? I mean, I know it's like it needs testing, yeah, I know, but just from the coding perspective, I think it's fair strategy, you know. It's not, I mean, I've built a lot of advanced strategy, so for me this is like very simple, but simple strategy also makes money. So yeah. So let's add the other ones. think. So this, I wanna do some fill between as well there. So 0, C, 1, I'm gonna add some Bollinger Band too here. Okay, let's add the Bollinger Band. Upper lower is fine. If you wanted me to code one strategy, what would it be? It can be anything. Yeah. Literally any strategy. It didn't. Okay, here we had some trades. We can do one here. We can like add some. I think it's good enough, you know. Let's just deploy it and see. So fourth, I want to do like custom strategy 4.1. okay. Here we have, I think we got this one trading session. We need the VWAP too, so let's get that. Yep. df get daily VWAP. I haven't have high code for this one. I think we do, right? No. So let's copy it there in the here, get that out there, keep it here, I think. Yep, df. We need the Bollinger Band too. This is redundant line. So now we have to change this. This, right? Yeah, this one. I'm gonna go there and update it. And we're gonna test it on different coin pairs. So I have a lot of like 5 different coin pairs. So .1. Yep. What? This is the strategy. There's some Python error. What is the error? df is not defined. Okay. So name df is not defined. Here, sorry. So we are running it on the web here. So you can see the trade setups now. This was from the previous, so let's delete that trade. I think there's some error or something. Yep, candle body says okay. I think I need Wyckoff VSA too. Get Wyckoff VSA. Yep. Okay, so it's running now. Now we can see the charts. Yep. Don't want this, don't want that. Just look at the trade setup. See? I'm gonna remove this and remove this as well. Let it run that one. long, short, short. See, long, this was on Bitcoin. On link, how is it in the link? So the link is long, short, long, short, short, there, short, long. So on the link it's saying us to like go long here. So let's see how this trade plays out. Okay, around here, what my system says though, on 15-minute link, right? Okay, so here's the link, right? On the link, my systems told us to like, you know, go short around here. In the spring it's like turned up, so you know, yeah, I mean, long trade is good, but like I would only enter long when like I see this change of character there. From there it's like, then we go up. Have you heard about this concept like ICT, inner circle trader? If you guys haven't heard, no, it's like I mean, ICT is nothing but like the, you know, the just like another phase of Wyckoff methodology actually. Yeah, the principles are the same there too. Yeah, I mean, people get like around 80% accuracy in that trade setup, 80% plus, you know, on ICT. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys that one too, where like you have fair value gap, you know, change of character. Change of character is actually like came from Wyckoff. He actually like had it, added it there. And then you have so like break of structure, you know, you know break of structure. So this kind of like tag and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys, don't worry. So yeah. So on link, it's our current system told us to like go long, so you can see here this one, right? So this is the strategy that we wrote. XRP as well. It's like it told us to go long here. See, here as well. I mean, this would be like losing trade, but this is turns out to be like, you know, good profit. Here it was good trade, good long trade as well. This short trade was like, yeah, I mean, it was losing trade though, this one. So winning, losing, winning trade. So you see that like, you know, even all these trades, like you lose less and you make more money basically. See this trade here, short, boom. So yeah guys, you know, we're gonna be continuing coding that later on. Right now I wanna see the chart, what's going on in the market. Okay, so this is weekly now. What we can do now is like on this testing that we were doing here, right? This chart, we are using daily VWAP, right? We can also use like weekly VWAP. Weekly VWAP is also really good. Okay, so why not, let's do that. So I'm gonna get the code for weekly VWAP. And I'm gonna paste it there. It's the same thing for weekly as well. It's just like you have to change some code. That's it, nothing else, nothing much. So I'm gonna go there on the top, restart it. So now I'm gonna put the weekly VWAP. Okay, get weekly VWAP. Got the weekly VWAP. So instead of this, now I want those D to be weekly W. Okay, so weekly. Now let's see. So see, it will, I think, probably work better on weekly. So if I do that, so this trade setup now comes to weekly. Okay, so we got 121, and you'll see a lot of noise reduction too. See, long, short, long. So now we can use this and add the weekly to there. So this is actually like higher time frame confluence, like as well. So you see, our candle range is not defined. So yeah. So we run that, and then we can see it here. Chart. See, good short trade there. Good long trade. This short trade as well. Long short. See, now it's more like cleared signal, like noise is like very less noise there now, right? So yeah. Okay, so one thing we can do now is, like, I want you to see this one too. Okay, so I'm gonna make the width to 2, but this one to 3. Okay. So so 0, 1, I think it's really good strategy. Yeah. Here is like it's going down on from the pivot, so we can, like, take the short trade from there. So oh, I haven't included the, okay. This one, you can use the pivot points too, like here we will get signal. Yeah, but why aren't we getting the signal there then? So this is our trade setup, right? So weekly lower band 1 2 3. We can also like add here the pivot points. So daily S1, no, I actually like create new one. I like to create, yeah, I create new ones. I don't use the public ones. Yeah, so all this strategy that I'm showing, is like yeah, I wrote it from the scratch. So yeah. So we can extend it to there as well. So daily R1, R2, R3, R1, R3. I think we're gonna see a lot of signals here. Okay, 160. I mean, it's good enough. Yep. So let's see what we got here. See, we are getting good trade setups now, right? Short, long, short. There. Now here's long. Why long there? Oh yeah. So one condition is also that like yeah, you can add your conditions, like one condition that I'm thinking of is like the close, no, close should be also greater than weekly VWAP lower band 1, hang on. Okay. You should keep it like this though, otherwise it's gonna mix up. Yep. So see guys, we actually like combined 2-3 different strategies like indicators, and then like we are getting a really good trade setups. I mean, most of the strategies on different platforms you see is like it's not that much confluence or like but like I haven't seen this type of like content on YouTube, like algorithmic trading, just saying, because I mean to be honest, like with this strategy as well, like you can make money, just like you either deploy it, test it, or just like trade it, yeah, later on it's gonna make sense though, what I mean. So what we did here is like we combined Bollinger Band weekly pivot points and made this strategy. Okay, very simple strategy that I would say, is like the breakout strategy on the breakout of daily time, previous day high, previous day low. So yeah, what I mean by is like this. Okay, so if I have my daily pivots, this one, and I can add the so this is just the daily pivot. Yeah, this one. So see, if I had like previous day high low, no, doesn't it have previous day high low? Come on, man. Pivots high low. Oh, that's the okay. Anyway, you know what I mean, right? So I'll show you what I mean here. Basically, so you see, this is previous day low, okay, and this is previous day high. So when the market goes there and like make this very big wick, we can like look for short trade there. Or when the market is like this, it makes very big wick, and like goes from there, then we can like long the market. So I'll show you what I mean. Now coding this strategy is very easy if you follow my channel. So see, what this is what I mean. So I want my demand tail to be greater than equals to demand tail standard deviation 2, and I want the candle to be previous day low 1D and low to be less than previous day low 1D, and close of the candle should be greater than previous day low 1D. Okay, and also close and open both. So this is my long trade. Okay, sorry guys. And for the short trade, I am looking for supply shoot. Instead of this, I'm gonna take the high of the previous day. Close should be less than my previous day high, and here is gonna be entering short trade, and let's see how much signals we got here. See, 47. Okay, now let's look inside. I just want those only. Okay, nothing much, nothing less. So I think there's okay, so I think we can we can remove this though. Yep, I'm gonna get a bit more signal, I think. Yeah, we did got, see, long here. So I'm just gonna like run it here, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of Bollinger Band 2, and let's run it. So 0, see, long trade there, 1, short trade there, 2, it should have got given us long trade, but I think because of that standard deviation, it's dynamic, right? That's why it hadn't gave us the trade. C, short there. Yeah, this was false signal. It would be losing trade though. This one is like winning trade, short side. This one too. So like, see, you can see that, like, you know, it's very simple, but it works really good, you know. And one code that you can write is like for the breakout, you know. See this candle, it's like very big, right? So we can write if it is going above, and if it's the candle body size is greater than certain condition, then we basically enter long trade. So what I mean now is this. So this is like one trade setup of ours. What I want with this as well, now we can make this kind of change. So just for confirmation, okay, for confirmation, what we do, we look for the previous candle to be like this, and then the next candle should be making higher high from the previous candle, yeah, and should be like, you know, bull candle. So that's done for that one. What I want to do here is the different condition is like, this is the code for breakout strategy on previous day high and previous day low. Okay, so what we do is like, you see, if close is greater than previous day high 1D, and we see like low, I mean the same thing, okay, what we were doing here, this instead of low, no, we just say high, right? Are you guys getting this? Let me know if you want me to explain something, okay? So this, and what we need with this one is like, make sure that the candle is big candle, okay? In order to do that, what we do is candle body size should be greater than candle body size ST day 2, right? So we got that. This was the confluence. So for this one is like making lower high, and then close should be less than that. Other strategy is this. So instead of high, no, we will have like low, previous day low 1D. Get this. This should be like less, and this should be the same condition. Now we'll see, we got 110 trade setups. Now let's see. So see, short, this was breakout, false breakout, so we didn't really got that. Why? I only want breakout trade when it's like long, okay? So here, no, close is greater than open, sorry, less. This is for short here, when the close is greater than open, meaning bull candle. So we got reduced to 105 from 110. So we'll see this signal now removed, okay? So see, we got that signal removed. I think, yeah, So this candle, when we like downloaded the data, it was showing us to go short. But I think the market went up on Bitcoin, right? That was also Bitcoin. Was it this candle? I don't know. 1 2 3. Yeah, this one. 1 2 3. This one. Okay. So yeah. Let's download the current data and see. So I got the data. Gonna run it again. One of 5, but we're gonna see more data. What? Yeah. I got you. So same. I have to download the data here anyway. Yes, I want the Bitcoin, and exchange I want finance. I'm actually building one course on Udemy, so it's like I'm gonna teach technical analysis, everything from the basics, you know. So yeah, there I'm gonna like teach some really advanced concepts. I mean, it's not advanced, it's easy, but like yeah, after you learn that, no, then you will understand that like what I'm talking about here. So yeah, see, we got the data more long trades. So yeah, let's test it. I think I'm gonna stop the streaming. It's almost 1 hour. So yeah, 0, yep, 1. See this breakout trade, you see that when the breakout turns out to be really good, no, it's like, yeah, it's really good, you know, it gives a lot of potential on upside. When it's like false breakout, then you will know that like after some times, no, you will know that it's false breakout. Just keep your stop loss below that candle where you're entering. Okay, so 2 3, yeah, see. So yeah guys, that's all for this video, and I hope you guys learned something. I mean, I think you guys learned a lot. So watch the video again if you wanna, like, you know, see the code, replicate for yourself. And I think I'm gonna stop the video right here, and tomorrow we're gonna also like run through the market. I think I'm gonna start from the New York session right off the bat, you know, just start from the New York session, stay live, and then like do some prediction as well, and take some trades too. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you haven't subscribe to the channel so that you get the notification, and also like the video if you gain some, you know, if you learn something from the video. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Happy trading.